Lovers, lunatics, and poets are made of same stuff. I am a man and all that affects mankind concerns me. Love always elevates the character of man. It never lowers him provided love we love. Philosophy is the outcome of human weakness or limitation of knowledge. Every tiny molecule of ash is in motion with my heat. I am such a lunatic that I am free even in jail. I deny the very existence of that almighty supreme being. Criticism and independent thinking are the two indispensable qualities of a revolutionary. Revolution was the vital living force indicative of eternal conflict between life and death, the old and the new, light and the darkness. Revolution did not necessarily involve sanguinary strife. It was not a cult of bomb and pistol. The sword of revolution is sharpened on the whetting stone of ideas Bhagat Singh in court during his trial, India's struggle for freedom. Do you ask me how I explain the origin of this world and origin of man? Alright, I tell you. Charles Darwin had tried to throw some light on the subject. Study him. Operation. Surely operation maketh a wise man mad. A man should either begin to think himself a rival of God or he may begin to believe himself to be God. Self-reliance is always liable to be interpreted as vanity. It is sad and miserable, but there is no help. Life is live its own. Others' help is needed in funerals only. Rebellion against king is always a sin according to every religion. All the capitalist governments are not only not going to help any such effort, but on the contrary suppress it mercilessly. Then what will his evolution achieve? Do you really know the most cursed sin in this world is to be poor? Yes, poverty is a sin, it is a punishment. Merciless criticism and independent thinking are the two necessary traits of revolutionary thinking. But man's duty is to try and endeavor. Success depends upon chance and environments. Religion is the outcome of human weakness or the limitation of human knowledge.